So in the last section, we have studied how to create a table and to add values inside a table. In this section, we'll be talking about various commands, how you can edit your table. So let's start with delete table. Okay. So let's clear the session. Now we have a table and we have the data into a table. Let's view that table. So for viewing the table, we have command as select. Just telling you a simple command of select, though detail we will be covering in the later sections. So you can type select. Asterisk means to select all the columns from table, that is our employee. And let's run this. So here you will find the reason is that so you will find a table, that is the employee which we have created. It has 4 columns and 1 2 3 4 5 6 data which we have inserted into a table. Okay, now we have our command, that is the session. Yeah, that is before session. Let me go to, so this was our command for, this was the incorrect one. Yeah, this is the correct one, table created. So this is all our command for creation of database. So I have all these commands in my this notepad file also. I'll be sharing these commands with you as well. So instead of, let's say, going into this, just copy it from here. Okay, let me go to my SQL worksheet and again paste this command. I am creating the same table again. So it is giving me an error that name is already used, that is the table is already created. Now consider a situation that I created this table wrongly and I want to delete this table. So for deleting this table, we have a command. The command is drop table and the table name employee. And when I run this, it will give me table dropped. And now if I try to select that table, that is select all the columns from employee table. Now employee table is already deleted. Now we are checking it, is it deleted or not? Yeah, it is saying table or view does not exist. That this table is not exist because we have already deleted it. So this is how you can delete your table. Thank you.